6 days. That is all it took. From absolute emptiness to mountains that pierce the clouds. From total darkness to stars that light the universe. From complete silence to oceans that roar across the earth. Before creation, the throne existed above the water. The destiny of everything was already written. Now, Allah began to build the stage for the greatest story ever told. Day 1 and 2, Allah created the earth. Not yet mountains, not yet rivers, not yet any life, just the raw foundation of the earth. Dark, unformed, waiting, like a blank canvas before a masterpiece begins. Then Allah directed himself to the heavens. He said to them and to the earth, "Come willingly or unwillingly." And they said, "We come willingly." Even the heavens and earth obeyed Allah without question. Allah created 7 heavens, one above another, each one more vast and magnificent than anything the human eye has ever seen. And he decorated the lowest heaven with stars and lights. Think about what you see when you look at the night sky. Every star you have ever seen, every constellation, every galaxy that astronomers discover with their most powerful telescopes, all of that, every single thing, is only the first heaven. 6 more heavens exist above it, each one greater than the last. 7 heavens stacked, layer upon layer, rising far beyond anything we can see or imagine with any tool on earth. Then Allah returned to the earth and spread it out. Mountains rose from the ground like massive anchors, holding the earth perfectly in place so it would not shake or tremble beneath our feet. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said when Allah created the earth, it began to shake and tremble. So Allah placed mountains upon it, and it became still. This was reported in Tirmidhi. Rivers carved their way through the land. Oceans filled every shore. Trees grew from the earth. Birds filled the sky. Life began to appear everywhere across the new world. Then the sun and the moon were placed in perfect orbit, not a single degree off. Their paths set with care so that day, night, and the rhythm of time could begin to move across the world. Scientists today will tell you that if the Earth was just 5% closer to the sun, everything on this planet would burn. If it was just 5% further, everything would freeze. Allah placed it perfectly. Not by accident, not by chance, by divine precision. Day and night began, seasons changed, time, as we know it, started moving forward across creation. 6 days, from nothing to everything. The heavens above, the earth below, the stars decorating the sky, the mountains standing firm, the oceans moving with life. The stage was completely set. The world was ready. But the greatest creation had not yet arrived. Something was coming that would change everything. A creation so special that Allah announced it to the angels. A creation so honored that every angel was commanded to bow. This was episode 4 of 9, the story of creation. Follow now, because tomorrow we reveal the creation of angels and Jinn.